Tonight's snow cleanup is well underway in the city of Pittsburgh. A city spokesperson told us 40 trucks were in operation this evening until 10 o'clock when the new shift began. We're told that primary routes were focused on first, followed by secondary roads. Covering Allegheny County tonight, Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Jordan Siopa joins us from Pittsburgh's Shady Side neighborhood. Jordan, you spoke with residents who live on streets that have not been cleared at all yet, right?
Yeah, Mike, and I'm here on Lehigh Avenue in Shady Side. You can see behind me, it's still covered in snow, just like many of the other residential streets we've seen tonight. Now, neighbors we spoke to noticed this issue during the last snowstorm, too. They hope to see the incoming administration take action. Although the New Year's Eve snowstorm ended hours ago, some Pittsburgh streets are still covered in white.
I think they haven't done a good job removing the snow at all in the city, especially that storm we got, 3 weeks ago?
As of Thursday evening, the snow on residential streets in Shady Side, like Lehigh Avenue, hadn't been cleared yet.
I do tend to stay on main roads whenever it gets like this, just because I know that there's a chance if I try to get on a road like this, it's just going to be not worth my time. As
Pittsburgh continues to face scrutiny over its snow response, the city's vehicle fleet remains at the center of the conversation.
I think a lot of it is related to the mechanical failures, the equipment that they have. And I heard yesterday that they were taking a lot of equipment trucks back and forth to get serviced.
Outgoing Pittsburgh City Council member Teresa Cale Smith applauded drivers in her district and said manpower isn't to blame for the issues. While she voted against the newly approved 20% property tax hike, Cale Smith says she is hopeful it will result in better snow response when the new administration takes over.
If we give them the right equipment, I think they'll be able to do the job. Plus leadership. I think I always talk about this. I think it's important to work through the ranks and then promote from within.
Residents hoping to see Mayor-elect Corey O'Connor tackle snow response quickly after taking office.
I mean, something new is always good, so like a fresh start and, can make it better.
Now, O'Connor told Pittsburgh's Action News 4 today the fleet is a pressing issue he plans to address when he takes office. Covering Allegheny County and Shady Side, I'm Jordan Siopa, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Jordan, thank you.